I wanted to make a short video installing the Phoenix Android Radios Tesla unit for the 2015 to 2018 Mustang. There's a couple things that confused me that I couldn't find in a video, and they also didn't include instructions. So first off, what you want to do is you want to remove the stock CD playing unit, which will be mounted right down here. Once you remove that, there'll be this black box that's mounted right in here with 3 wires down the bottom. Go ahead and remove that. Careful with that, it says do not drop. Once you get that out, you're going to take the brackets off the side of the stock unit, and it's going to have little tabs, little safety tabs here. Flatten those out, and these brackets will then mount to your new unit, which can get put right back in here. Once you have that done, go ahead and pop over to your old unit, to your cigarette lighter, your cigarette port. There's going to be little black tabs inside there, which you're going to have to push out, and then this entire unit will push out through the front. Once that's out, there's black tabs on the back here, which you will press in, and the cover will then pop off the front too. You can't remove the cover without first removing the inside, because these tabs are held out by this piece here. Then once you have that out, you can just reverse install that right back into your new unit. And yeah, that should be good there. After you get all that done, it's just connecting all of the wires, which again, they didn't really send me too much information on it. They sent me a picture showing everything connected, and I had to figure it out from that. So there's a shot of the back, might help some people. GPS unit, I'm assuming Wi-Fi antenna. And yeah. And that all gets shoved right back in there. The stock brackets will mount up in there. And you have to transfer over the plastic clips, these little guys. Transfer them over to the new unit, and then that will all snap directly back into the factory holes. And yeah, that's should be just about everything. Yep. Let me know if y'all have any questions. I can try to answer them the best that I can.